Yn afadyn, ham I gianw i'r Bhac, far a fel mi'r cleinjan gyfel Cruit land y fioechen nach byg dwi'n dwlrwa yn y lewas. Ha a chrwchtio i'r fiawn yn tiawlach Kate Muir corus dachiat bliana, agus ha ishe i'r fi garwy fod da fi lys y sia diag. Far a fel yn agachu dan tred alanichge, da Alpacas.
Oh, my grech sa thainig siawlora. Had go ionnsachadh. They're so weird looking. Oh my goodness. Look at their mouths. Oh, my grech. Oh, my grech. Genach gym I diaf alpaca go fasg sio. Ach, had go eentje nach ionnsachadh. Had gyma doial, sochgas. Agus, dir go even je coed. Oh, had go loch. So you have absolutely diversified on this croft.
Yes.
Tell us a wee bit about how that's working for you.
So we originally got them for their fibre, just because I like yarn and wools. But then when we had them, it was just before lockdown, and then folk were coming around doing their walks around the village, and then they wanted to meet them. So just to help with food costs, we thought, oh, we'll just have it open like that. So started off as folk coming to visit, and now we've mostly got locals more than tourists coming, and then we've got the community groups come and visit us as well. So it's great. So it's win-win for everyone.
Ha Kate de Cruit i'r oran gys y ffeisyn i'r hort sias a chrwcht i'r chwyrst.
You coming? Throw it, Dorst. Throw it. Who can she as gan try? Has je naar carrot en ish na heel. Wel, charami an dŵl gymbian a cosiach gle alpaca i'r crucht an y lewis ach sin mar a hasŵl agus ha sioch o injanach. Dorst. Come on. So, Kate, what do you think Granny would say about alpacas on the croft?
Absolutely loved it.
Loads of great wool.
Loads of great wool, loads of great jumpers. So they have made an alpaca Harris tweed once before, many, many, many years ago.
Oh,
so
amazing.
we need to get it back again.
Yeah. And do you get other colours, or have you got
We
a
get
good range?
22
Really?
different colours of alpacas. We've got about 6 amongst us all here, but you get 22.
Ah, I like the wee brown one.
It's very cute. There we go. Give him a bowl of food. Oops, or Robbie.
Okay, Robbie, throw it first. Oh my gosh!
Oh, you can share.
Your mouths are so bizarre. How cute, Nachil. How much teddy bear bake? Jerry? Agus na fuam na hasú gianú hat anas a chéin. Oh my god. Sure, gaf sin. Well, the harston met a heel shoot a gola chéli, alpacas, crucht, awn an ALBA. Hasif cawl a bach. Smash a hiachin.
Aperuse udem tjietje eien en een kutjach leertje vioechen iendach. Agus kuchelig chruchtjerach eichen ga hien.